due to the bounce house being a hexagon shape, we fold in each side inside. That way we get a good rectangular shape, which makes it a more square fold like the traditional bounce house. So as you can see here, we have a more rectangular shape, which is going to make it a lot easier for us to just fold how we would with a normal bounce house. So as you keep watching, you'll see us will fold one corner or one side to about 2/3 right here. And about there is good distance. Pull in the middle a little bit to make it a little bit more straight. Then the next step is to fold the other side all the way to the other end. Make sure you grab the middle part. And then now we have a good long rectangular shape, which is going to make it a lot easier when we're rolling it up nice and tight. After letting the bounce house rest and get nice and flat, you need to roll as tight as you can in the beginning. Make sure you put a lot of pressure on the beginning rolls, and really throughout the whole bounce house roll, it needs to be nice and a tight roll. That way you get the best fit for the bag. Now that you have the bounce house nice and rolled and tight and looks good, if it doesn't, you need to re-roll it and make sure it fits into the bag. Now Joel's throwing the strap under, and they're gonna throw the bounce house over on top of it. He's going to take the end of the strap and make a good knot that makes it easy for us to, or whoever uses it next, to undo the knot. Once you have the bounce house strap nice and tight and easy to release, and the bounce house looks good and it doesn't need a re-roll, you're going to just flip it up vertically and put the bag on top, and you're good to go.